So yeah, the first product we're going to present today is the PROINSERT system, as we said. It's a set of profile, and it's a set of profile for finishing laminate and different loose floor. It composed of 3 pieces, and you can have 4 different uses. We have a base,
two bases.
2 bases. One is this one. One has one fixing anchoring length, and the other one has 2 anchoring length. So this one can be placed along the perimeter, and this one can be used to connect floor same or different level.
So you can either fix these down with a hybrid polymer glue, which you can actually purchase. We do have the glue for all these profiles as well, for sticking them down. So you can either fix them down with screws, glue, or maybe get some double-sided tape and just stick them to the floor.
So yeah, as we said, with the same 3 pieces, you're able to make different application. So the first one is the terminal pin, which is, as the name suggests, is along the perimeter. You pick a base. Can we see the exactly there? Yeah, as you can see here, 4 different applications: terminal pin, sol 40, zero curve, and style stair. You pick a base, then you pick the insert. They can go from a minimum of
depending on the thickness of what you fit in your floor installation. So it can go from 7mm up to 20mm, which is quite a bit of coverage.
And it's going to show you in a bit, but you just take the base, then you put the insert, and then in this case the terminal pin, which goes along the perimeter.
Okay, so the insert slides. All it does is slides into the profile. Then that gets a grip to your base. You just push it in or tap it in with a hammer, a rubber hammer, and it fits nice and tight.
And this is available. All of this top are available in more than 81 different wood finishes, but also aluminium. So
there's a diagram there just showing you the different fixing methods. How you can screw fix it, glue fix it, and then at the end where you tap it down with a wooden block and a hammer, just so you don't damage the trim.
So it really depends on your needs. This is the good one for the along the perimeter. Then the other one is the sol 40, which is a 40 centimeter wide, as the name suggests, and it is used to connect 2 floors. They can be the same level or different level.
Or you can use it as an expansion joint.
And in this case, you're gonna use the other base, the one with 2 anchoring length. Then same process again. You slide the pin in between, and then you pop the base on top. Again, many different finishes available. And then
get that board out, Alex.
Yeah, get the board.
Oh, this is the package that they come in. So obviously you can keep a few of these in the van and they won't scratch because they're covered with a plastic film. So it's a good idea.
They either come 90 centimeter or 270 centimeter, depending on your needs.
Yeah, so like this is the different colour ranges it comes in, like the wooden finishes, the aluminium, the anodized gold, and like another anodized finish there. There's just quite a lot to choose from.
You find all these colours on our catalogue or website. So once you found your profile, just add the colour code after the profile.
And there's a reference to all the colours there on the diagram. So there's 81 there.
We're able to send you samples, so everything you need.
Okay, depending on the quantity you purchase, if it's a commercial project, we can do it. You can have your own colour. Obviously, that's quantity dependent.
True. And then the last one is the zero curve, that, as the name suggests, take you from zero
to 20mm
to a certain height. Same process: base, and then pin, and then top. As you can see here from the diagram.
So that's a zero curve in a different finish, and not as high. That's a deeper trim with a gold anodized finish. Now, there's another diagram there.
Yeah, as you can see, you can reach different height, and higher you get, longer the profile becomes.
So you can see on the diagram there, they range from 7mm to 20mm, and it shows you the different fixing methods there again, so you can glue them down. screw them down and then tap them down with a wooden block and a hammer.
Nice one. And do you want to show them how easy it is to fit them?
Yes, of course I will.
On our training section over there.
Okay.
Thank you.
What's it called? Okay, as you can see by the diagram there, that just shows you again the different heights, the thicknesses it can go to, from 7mm to 20mm, and the fixing methods, and like you've got a wood effect trim there, wood effect profile and aluminium. So okay, thank you, Jose. We'll now show you how to fit this. We'll just start with the terminal pin. So this one goes around the perimeter. You've got to make sure you respect the expansion joint around the edge. So these again, you can they come with a double-sided tape on the back already fixed, so you peel it back and stick it down so that it just holds it in situ for you while you carry on fitting your floor, so they won't move around. This is just demonstration purposes, so it will do a bit of moving around on us. So then you'll start with your first piece. And this is the edge, which is a perimeter strip. So if you don't want any skirting board, you can just butt this right up to the edge, and it's like the finish of the edge of the wall. So then we can put in the second base. So you can use this you can either start off again with another type of flooring the same height though, or it can be slightly different because this does move around. So then you'll carry on. So this can act as a good expansion joint.
We also forget to say that this one is a good profile to eliminate the electrostatic charges in case you're using an underfloor electrical heating system. Okay, so
these are the pins that determine the height. So you slide the pin into the channel, then it determines the height of your flooring. So that'll grab in and just pull down and sit tight right on the flooring you're going over. You do the same with that as well, but I forgot to put that in. Always happens live. So again, yeah, there's another pin. You slide it in, and you just tap it down with a wooden block and a hammer, and it just sends it home. So then we can fit the end. Again, stick it down with glue, double-sided tape, or screw fix it. Then the final perimeter pin goes around the edge. Then the end just goes in really easy. You slide the pin in the end, locate it into the channel on the aluminium base. And you get your rubber block, your wooden block and your hammer, tap it, and it clamps down to the flooring you're using. Okay, so if you've got any questions regarding this product, regarding fitting, just send us a message into the box, and we can hopefully give you any answers to your questions. Okay?
Thank you, Andy. Very useful.